Hello friends, if you want to add a ads.txt file on your website, it's pretty simple for you to add this. So you need to go to the plugin section and click on add new plugin. The first step is that. Now here you can search ads.txt in the plugins. You will see a ads.txt manager plugin here. Just click on it, or you can add any other from here. Just click on this and click on install, and now click on activate. And here the activation process is done. Now what we need to do is we need to go to the tools or settings to find where is the add.txt menu. Okay, so in the settings we will see a ads.txt. Just click on it. And as you can see, here is the add.txt menu. Now you can write down the ads.txt text here and just click on save changes. This was the simple step. Now you can check by clicking and copying the link of your website, and after the link you need to add ads.txt and click on enter to see if it's live or not. And as you can see here, the text is here, and now the ads is live on my website, and after 24 hours Google AdSense will remove your add.txt error. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.